Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we're going to be doing an advanced jive solo routine. We are going to break it down into sections, do it with my counts, and with music. The first section. So we pair our right foot to dance, we step to the side. From here, we start with our left foot, flick forward, flick forward, flick forward to the side, cross together, side. Now with the right foot, forward, 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 side, cross together, side. From here, we have a cross tap, cross and tap, cross and tap. Now we do it again, cross, tap, cross, tap. Now we do the same thing but with a little jump in between. Up, flick, up, down, up, flick. From here, we are going to do a box step. So we have forward, back, side, side, forward, back, side, side. Okay guys, now that first section with my counts. We start with our feet together. We have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay guys, now the second section. We just finished our box step. We will do cross together side, cross together side. Hold. We have cross, replace, side, tap, side. From here, we go into our flicks. Left foot, right foot. From here, we have a little switch. We're going to put that left foot in front and right foot taps behind and tap. Now from here, we are going to only kick our right foot out. So we'll go kick, 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 kick around in the circle. Now we have to switch and kick our left foot out. Kick, kick, only 2. Now I do cross together side, cross together side, and feet together. From here, I have toe, heel, cross, toe, heel, cross. Now the same thing with a little jump. Toe, heel, cross, toe, heel, cross, and ball change. Ball change. Okay guys, now the second section with my counts. We just finished that box step on 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, guys, now the last and final section. So we just finished our ball change. We do chassé forward with the right. 1, 2, 3. Chassé forward with the left. 1, 2, 3. From here, we have 2 kick ball changes. Kick with the right foot, ball change. Kick, ball change. We do a hip bump, step, bump. Now from here, I'm going to do step. I'm going to turn and do a ronde. Ronde to the side with the left. And from here, I have cross together side, cross together side. Okay, guys, now the last section with the counts. So we have 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, guys, now we're gonna put all of the sections together with my counts and then after with music. We have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it a little bit complicated, we already have a beginner jive routine posted, and we will be posting an intermediate jive routine. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.